I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're facing a payment decline on the DoorDash app, follow these steps to get back to ordering your favorite meals. Step 1. Check your payment method. Open the DoorDash app and navigate to your account settings. Ensure that your payment method is up to date and that the card details are correct. Step 2. Verify card expiration date. Make sure that the expiration date on your card hasn't passed. If it has, update it with the new date to avoid declines. Step 3. Check for sufficient funds. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Enable international transactions. If you're using a card issued outside the US, check if international transactions are enabled. Some banks require you to allow this feature for online purchases. Step 5. Restart the app. If all else fails, try closing the DoorDash app completely and reopening it. This can refresh your session and resolve temporary glitches. I hope these steps help you get your order through. If you continue to have issues, consider reaching out to DoorDash support for further assistance. Happy ordering!